Hello everyone, today we are going to break down a super common English idiom which is bite the bullet. What does it mean? Bite the bullet means that you finally decide to do something tough, annoying, something that you didn't want to do, that you stop procrastinating and you just do it. For example, I didn't want to go to the dentist, but finally I bit the bullet and I went. There is an interesting story behind this idiom. The point is that before the anesthesia, the soldiers literally need to bite the bullet while we're cured to cope with pain. So now it is only a metaphor, but it still means that it is something that helps you to cope with unbearable situation. Let's look at how you might hear this phrase in real life. For example, the project is due tomorrow. I guess I need to bite the bullet and finish it tonight. My phone is broken. I have to bite the bullet and buy a new one. I have been avoiding this conversation for a month. I think it is time to bite the bullet and talk to him. So now it is up to you. Think of something unpleasant you need to do and write me in the comment. What do you need to do biting the bullet? If you like the explanation, don't forget to subscribe and I'm waiting in my other videos.